Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome back. Okay, already we are we have started the chapter that's called that the chapter is the reaching the age of adolescence. In this very chapter, we started the topic. We started the topic that was puberty. As we are discussing the puberty, what's actually the puberty, and what are the changes which we also called as secondary सेक्चुअल करेक्टर जो मैं ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूँ कि प्यूबर्टी इज़ अ एज जब मेल्स और फीमेल जो होते हैं यहाँ बात करते हैं बॉयज़ और गर्ल्स की व्हेन दे बिकेम सेक्चुअली मैच्योर एंड देयर different organs develop or their gonads start producing gametes and हार्मोन्स एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द हार्मोन्स कुछ चेंज जो बॉयज़ में आते हैं जो ऑलरेडी मैंने डिस्कस किया है आज विल डिस्कस सर्टेन सेकेंडरी सेक्चुअल कैरेक्टर्स और we just call them certain changes which occur in the girls during the puberty. When the girls attain the age of puberty, what are the different changes that occur? And I just mentioned that these changes, they are because of the hormones, and like as estrogen is there, and in case of the in case of boys it is the hormone that's to be called as testosterone. Okay, let we discuss the different types of change, or let we discuss the secondary sexual characters that usually develop in girls, or we call that various changes in girls during the puberty. So what are these changes? So I'll mention certain important changes which occur in girls during the puberty. तो देखिए puberty के दौरान या when the age is attained by that of the females, or age is attained by that of the female girls, what are the different changes which we just called as secondary sexual characters? What are these? First we just call that there are the different types of body changes, like there is the breast development and enlarge in the girls. So first is this breast development and enlarge in girls. Second one is like that there is the ovaries start to release the ova. जैसे मैंने ऑलरेडी पहले बता चुका हूँ कि ovaries which are the female the part of female reproductive organs, and ovaries they carry the two important functions. तो एक इनका function है कि they will start producing the gametes which is called ova, and formation and release. तो दो टॉपिक्स में ऑलरेडी ये दो इम्पोर्टेंट प्रोसेस हैं, दो टाइप्स ऑफ जो प्रोसेस जो ओवरीज परफॉर्म करती हैं फीमेल्स में, ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूँ लाइक दैट द ओवरीज दे स्टार्ट द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ओवा, एंड फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ओवा इज कॉल्ड ओजेनेसिस, जो ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूँ. और जब एक ओवा तैयार हो जाता है या एग तैयार हो जाता है उसके रिलीज को ओलेशन कहते हैं. और जब वो कंप्लीट होती है, oogenesis कंप्लीट होती है, देन आफ्टर द oogenesis इट्स बीइंग रिलीज्ड इन द फैलोपियन ट्यूब, दैट्स कॉल्ड ओलेशन. ओके, और जहाँ पे इसकी फर्टिलाइजेशन होती है. तो ये दूसरा इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर है प्यूबर्टी के दौरान, जो puberty the process, the change that occurs usually in girls. Third one, that's the we just called as a menstrual cycle begins. Okay, menstrual cycle begins. तो already मैं बता चुका हूँ how the menstruation we just called as taking place. It's because when the egg usually does not fertilize, and for some time, or for the some time it remains over there in the uterus. So after that, along with the blood, along with the mucus, that lying of blood and egg, it's being shut down or being released out, that's to be called as in the flow of blood. So that's called menstrual flow, and it usually begins this to cycle. This is a cyclic process. It occurs after in a month, it occurs in a month, I mean say that वंस इन अ मंथ, एक मंथ में एक बार हो जाता है, लेकिन साइक्लिक प्रोसेस है, एवरी मंथ हो जाता है, तो जिसे हम मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल भी कहते हैं. तो ये स्टार्ट होता है व्हेन देयर ऑकर्स व्हेन दे हैव अटेन्ड द एज ऑफ प्यूबर्टी. और तीसरा Ovaries, oviduct, uterus, and vagina, they enlarge. So these are the female reproductive, these are the parts of female reproductive system. Like ovaries, जो बता चुका हूँ, oviduct, having the function to where the site of fertilization. Oviduct, that's to be called as a site of fertilization. And uterus, you know that it's a site where the development of the fetus occurs, and till the pasteurization it's being over there, so this is a site of development. And third one is the vagina. So vagina is an which is called as a muscular tube that's usually functions for the receiving of male copulatory organs and also the sperms of discharge over here. These ovaries, oviduct, uterus, and vagina, they enlarge when the age of puberty starts. And extra deposition of fat in fat, so means that extra deposition of fat in hips and thighs. And appearance of hair, this also the change that take place, ये भी एक change है जो females में होती हैं, like appearance of hair. तो hair means that axillary hair and pubic hair. In case of armpits and the pubic hair, you know that regions around the regions like as the in the genital, like in the genital regions. And or एक change like women say that there are different change that occurs, like there is an increase in the height, okay, increase in height. And also the change we just called as there is a change that's feeling and sexual drives associated with that of the adulthood begins, it's because of the puberty. तो ये कुछ changes थी जो females में होती है, इन्हें हम secondary sexual characters भी कहते हैं. तो व्हाट आर दे मीन्स दैट अब मैं स्टार्ट करूंगा एक एक जो चेंज हैं बॉयज़ और गर्ल्स में दोनों में कौन कौन सी चेंज हैं. लाइक पहली चेंज जो है दैट्स कॉल्ड इंक्रीज इन हाइट. तो हाइट यू नो दैट मेल्स और फीमेल्स में होती है कि मैंने कहा कि व्हेन द puberty marks the beginning of the reproductive period, it's a mark, it marks the beginning of the reproductive period. So when someone became capable of reproduction, it shows certain changes. Like first change is the increase in the height. तो पहली change से हम कहते हैं कि increase in the height. So we just call that the most, okay, we call it as the most conspicuous, okay, the most conspicuous change during the puberty is that is sudden increase in the height of boys and girls. So the most conspicuous, that is the increase in the sudden increase in the height of boys and girls. So this is one that at the we just saw that at the same time the puberty long bones, I mean say that the bones of arms and legs elongate, ओके, इट मेक्स पर्सन ओवरऑल टॉल. तो इसकी हड्डियाँ लंबी हो जाती हैं जिसकी वजह से ओवरऑल टॉल दिखने लगता है. या हम ये भी कह सकते हैं द चिल्ड्रन दे गेन द लॉट ऑफ हाइट because during the puberty, so initially you just say that initially the girls grow faster than boys, but by the age of 18 years, okay, by the age of 18 years the boys and girls reach their maximum height. So जब 18 ईयर्स की हो जाती है तो इनकी मैक्सिमम हाइट अटेन हो जाती है. तो दिस उसके बाद जनरली ये मैक्सिमम हाइट ऑफ गर्ल्स वो स्लाइडली कम हो जाती है. इट रिमेंस दैट ऑफ द लेस एंड दैट ऑफ द बॉयज. तो ये एक चेंज है जो that takes place usually in boys and girls, but when the age of puberty is attained. So we just call that, we just find that can we कैलकुलेट दिस एज, हम इस एज को कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. या हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि जब एक पर्सन अपनी मैक्सिमम मतलब इवेंचुअली व्हेन वी कॉल दैट व्हेन एक पर्सन अपनी मैक्सिमम हाइट कितनी ले सकता है, उसकी हाइट कितनी हो सकती है कि जब उसकी मैक्सिमम ग्रोथ हो जाती है. तो आई मीन से दैट if we know the person, if we know the height of a person and height of his full height that's present, that's at the present age, we can calculate the full height of a person which here eventually reach। तो हम ये कहेंगे कि अगर हमें कुछ, क्या हम ये कह सकते हैं कि एक मैक्सिमम हाइट एक ह्यूमंस की कितनी हो जाती है? ठीक है, एक मैक्सिमम हाइट जो है कि ह्यूमंस की या ह्यूमन या मेल की या फीमेल की कितनी हो जाती है, तो हम ये कहेंगे कि इसकी मैक्सिमम हाइट कितनी रहेगी, कितना कितनी हाइट रहेगी, कितना मैक्सिमम इसका हाइट रहेगा। जब वो फुल डेवलपमेंट होगी तो कितना हाइट रहेगा उसका, उसके बाद उसकी डेवलपमेंट नहीं होगी, उसके बाद उसकी हाइट चेंज नहीं हो जाएगी। क्या हमारे पास कोई ऐसी फॉर्मूला है? वी कैन कैलकुलेट, यस, हम कर सकते हैं कैलकुलेट। लाइक वी हैव फॉर्मूला, वी कैन कैलकुलेट द फुल हाइट ऑफ ए पर्सन। एक तो हमें प्रेजेंट हाइट ऑफ ए पर्सन नोन हो, प्रेजेंट हाइट, उसके बाद वी शुड नो द प्रेजेंट फुल हाइट ऑफ ए पर्सन एट द प्रेजेंट एज, इट्स एट द प्रेजेंट एज, ओके। तो एक हमें प्रेजेंट हाइट ऑफ पर्सन मालूम हो, दूसरा हमें प्रेजेंट परसेंटेज रादर परसेंटेज ऑफ फुल हाइट एट ए प्रेजेंट मालूम हो, परसेंटेज ऑफ फुल हाइट, एक प्रेजेंट हाइट, दूसरा percentage of full height, or then, so first is the present height, then it is the percentage of full height at the present, and you should multiply it by 100, and you can calculate the maximum age. I mean, say that you can calculate the maximum height that a person can eventually reach. Like here an example, when a 10-year-old boy having the height 1 to 1.25 tall, तो उसकी present height जो है, present height of a boy is 78, it is 78% है, तो 78% है उसकी प्रेजेंट परसेंटेज ऑफ प्रेजेंट हाइट जिसे हम कहते हैं। तो क्या आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो उसकी मैक्सिमम हाइट को? यस, वी कैन कैलकुलेट। तो हमारे पास भी फॉर्मूला है, प्रेजेंट हाइट दैट्स 125 सेंटीमीटर, percentage of full height जो है that 78%, so we can calculate the full height of a body, like present height of a boy, then there's a percentage of full height and into the 100। तो लेकिन हमें इसके लिए हमें percentage of full height at present age पता होनी चाहिए, so we can calculate it like this, then it's 125, that's a centimeter height, so percentage 78%, and you can multiply it by 100, and you can calculate you can calculate, I mean say that we can calculate the full height of a person eventually he can reach. This is the formula you can calculate. Now इसके बाद एक और change है, that is the change in the body shape and the appearance. Okay, so change in body shape and appearance, तो हमारे पास हम कहते हैं कि जब प्यूबर्टी आ जाती है ह्यूमंस, मेल्स और फीमेल्स में प्यूबर्टी आ जाती है, क्या हाइट में ही चेंज हो जाती है? नहीं, हम ये कह सकते हैं इट्स नॉट ओनली द हाइट, because when a child is small, we just say sometimes it is difficult to tell from the appearance whether is a boy or a girl. This because we just find that there is a same body shape, but we just call that eventually when it happens, when they puberty, they attain the puberty, both males and females, they attain the puberty, we find certain changes, certain rapid change in their body appearance। तो हम ये कहेंगे जब एक जो छोटे हो जाते हैं, we are not able to differentiate between a boy and girl, but when the onset of puberty takes place, there's a rapid and a marked change in the body, in the appearance, okay, there's a marked change in the appearance rather, okay, there's a marked change in the appearance that starts in the boys and girls, which make boys to look different from that of the girls। तो ऐसी कुछ बॉडी चेंज हो जाती हैं कि हम ये कहेंगे कि एक बॉय एक गर्ल से टोटली डिफरेंट इसकी लुक हो जाती है जब एज ऑफ प्यूबर्टी आ जाती है। तो अब ये कौन सी चेंज है? So change in the shape of which is called change in the shape and appearance in the boys and girls both onset of puberty. So what are these changes? Like I just mentioned earlier, that what are the different changes that are taking place, like boys develop broader shoulders and wider chest than the girls. This I mean said there's a body shape, It is a body change. I'm just telling you the change in the body shape and appearance. Okay, बॉडी शेप एंड अपीयरेंस. मैं बॉडी शेप और अपीयरेंस की बात करता हूँ. तो कौन सी चेंज हो जाती है बॉडी मेल्स और फीमेल्स में जब एज ऑफ प्यूबर्टी आ जाती है? तो पहला, आई मीन जस्ट से दैट द फर्स्ट चेंज इज बॉयज डेवलप ब्रॉडर शोल्डर्स एंड वाइडर चेस्ट देन गर्ल्स. Okay, this is the first change, that boys develop broader shoulders and wider chest than girls. This is the first. Second one, girls develop broader girls develop broader tips. Okay, girls develop. So we just find there secondary change in the in that of the in that of the in the boys and girls. That's a boys develop more muscles than the girls. It's a secondary change. We just call that boys develop more muscles than girls. So the body of boys looks more muscular than of the girls. This is third one. And जो second में बताने जा रहा था, that was about the girls develop broader hips and than the boys. Okay, we just call that girls develop broader hips than that of the boys. Due to this change, the region below their waist becomes wider in girls. Also, another change, that's boys, they develop Adam's apple. So Adam's apple, you know that which Adam's apple is a bulge in front of the throat. Have you ever seen the bulge in front of the throat? You can touch your throat and you can see bulging out. This bulge out. Okay, the bulge. I mean, say that. Sorry, it's a bulge in front of the throat. Okay, says which is to be called as Adam's apple, which is prominent in case of males. तो males में prominent होता है. So this makes them look different. This makes the males or boys look different from that of the girls. And another important change that's taking place, that physical change, I mean say that, or change in the body, or it's an appearance, like body develops facial. बॉयज जो होते हैं, जो डेवलप करते हैं, बॉयज डेवलप फेशियल हेयर, लाइक दे डेवलप द मस्टच. ओके, they develop the beard, but the girls do not have facial hair. So the growth of facial hair makes boys look different from that of the girls. And also we find that the physical change, that the girls develop there occurs in the development of the mammary glands. Okay, we just call the girls their breasts. This is also the change in the shape that's grown up the girls and makes them look different from that of the boys. So dear students, these were certain changes that we just called एक कुछ changes थी जो एक boys को अलग करती हैं, boys को अलग करती हैं girls से, या हम ये कह सकते हैं ये वो changes है जो हो जाती हैं because of the hormones. Okay, we also call that these are the changes that occurs both in boys and girls because of that of the hormones. And we also find that these we just call that these are the, we also call the secondary sexual characters, or the also we call that as a change, like height जो मैंने अभी कहा, increase in height of boys and girls both. There's a common phenomenon, there's a common character, common feature in case of both boys and girls, where with an onset of puberty, with the onset of puberty, their age change, their height changes. Okay, उनकी height change हो, इनकी height increase हो जाती है. और दूसरी बात ये कि body change भी, और body जो मैंने कहा बॉडी चेंज और बॉडी अपीयरेंस जो वो भी उनकी चेंज हो जाती है. तो ये जो थी इन द कमिंग टॉपिक, इन द कमिंग लेक्चर विल डिस्कस other change that's taking place, like change in the voice. Okay, like change in the voice, or development of pimples, yeah, we just call the development of sex organs, or reaching of mental and intellectual and emotional maturity. So we'll discuss these are secondary sexual characters. What are these actually? We will discuss these characters in coming lectures. So thank you.